How to fix this person isn't available right now in Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can fix if this person isn't available right now on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to fix if this person isn't available right now in Messenger, what you have to do is, first of all, you simply want to go ahead and then first of all open the Messenger application. Once you open the Messenger application over here, in this case, once you go ahead and open the Messenger application, let's say you're just talking to someone and after a certain while it could simply say that this person isn't available on Messenger and so on. Now when it says this person isn't available on Messenger, there's really nothing that you can do to fix it, because it is likely one of these two reasons. One reason is that they could have had their account deleted on Messenger or Facebook, which means the other person could have deleted their account. That is why it says that this person isn't available right now. The other reason, however, being is that unfortunately it would mean that the person you're trying to contact either blocked you or maybe just blocked you on Messenger only and deleted the conversation. If that is the case, then there might also be an additional message saying message not sent, because when you just try to send them a message to the person who's not available on Messenger, it could give you a pop-up saying message not sent, and if the user blocked you, you may not be able to fix it unless you request that the person actually unblocks you. So that is simply it, because if it says this person isn't available, it simply means that either the person has blocked you or either the person has deactivated or deleted their account. So I hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.